Changing the phone number on your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Facebook app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner on the website or tap the 3 horizontal lines in the app. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Access your phone numbers. In the Settings menu, look for Mobile or Phone in the left sidebar on the website or scroll down to Account Settings in the app. Click on it to view your current phone numbers. Step 4. Add or edit phone number. To change your phone number, you can either click Add a phone to enter a new number or click Edit next to your existing number. Follow the prompts to enter a new phone number. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, Facebook will send a verification code via SMS. Check your messages, enter the code on Facebook, and confirm the change. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Facebook account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Facebook's Help Center for assistance.